Good morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson, and today I have with me my technician, Skylar, and this cute little bearded dragon with his little elf costume. We know Christmas is over, but we had to show everybody this adorable costume that Skylar got him from PetSmart for Christmas. And I think he kind of likes wearing it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Well, Godzilla is almost 12 years old, so he is considered a senior lizard. And basically what we want to talk about today is how, when your reptiles start to age, how their care is a little bit different. Skylar is one of Godzilla's main people who take care of him, along with David, our kennel manager, so they get to do a lot more with him than I do. He was living at my house, but he did not like my children as well as he should, because they would put him in baby strollers and play with Barbie with him. But anyway, he's a lot happier here, and he loves dogs. So basically what we want to talk about is they have kind of a finicky issue with eating as they get older. He actually eats a salad and then he eats crickets, but sometimes as they get older they experience muscle weakness. The other day Skylar came in and said that she saw Godzilla laying on his back, unable to right himself back forward. So we ended up having to take out a lot of his larger rocks. We know he is experiencing some arthritic issues, so we may get our laser therapy and basically laser his spine just to help him out with that. We also have anti-inflammatories we can give them. Intermittently, we also have to give Godzilla intracelumic fluids, where we actually inject fluids into his abdomen just to help with his hydration. He still can catch his crickets pretty good. I actually just started introducing freeze-dried crickets because as he's aging, his mobility is not as good as it was. But he is still able to catch his crickets. They just have to be a little larger in order for him to see them. The small ones he has a really hard time with. Bearded dragons make fabulous pets. If you're looking for a reptile and you're not really into snakes and you're wanting some sort of lizard, bearded dragons are right up there at the top of my list because they're so docile. I mean, what kind of lizard's going to wear an elf costume, you know? They're great with children. They will let a child basically do anything with them. Of course, you need to educate your children on what they should and should not do with their lizards. And they're actually pretty easy to care for. We do recommend you bringing them in twice a year for us to do a fecal and do some blood work and make sure everything's healthy and going on well. So if you're thinking about getting a lizard or you have a bearded dragon, give us a call and make that appointment. I promise your pets will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.